Welcome to Fresno Tractor, servicing the San Joaquin Valley and beyond since 1959. We are an agricultural and construction equipment dealer, offering sales and rentals of new and used machinery and attachments, new and used parts, full service shop, and field service. We sell and rent wheel loaders, skip loaders, skid steers, backhoes, motor graders, excavators, scrapers, wheel tractors, compaction equipment, mowers, discs, water towers, and water trucks, and much, much more. We have one of the largest rental fleets of crawler tractors for deep ripping and slip plowing in preparation for planting vineyards and orchards. We are a full-line New Holland construction equipment dealer and provide parts and service for most major brands of equipment. Our staff has a wealth of knowledge and experience in servicing customers just like you. We're here Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. to help you meet your equipment needs.